children, today let's start with chapter number first, that is Earth in our solar system. Earth is the only planet where life is possible and we all live on our Earth. So on clear night, when the darkness blanket of the world looks up at the sky, you will see the tiny points of light like diamonds in the velvet cloth. These points of lights are stars and there are more than in the universe that we know. They are scattered randomly in the space but often grouped together form patterns called constellation. Right? ये क्या फॉर्म करते हैं? कॉन्स्टेलेशन फॉर्म करते हैं. व्हेन वी गेज द नाइट स्काई फ्रॉम दैट सरफेस, जो स्टार्स हैं वो आपको दिखाई देंगे कि वो क्लोज अपीयर करते हैं, बट एक्चुअली दे आर नॉट क्लोज, दे आर वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम अस. So such stars are like giant glowing balls of gas that emit light and heat. Our sun is a star. Unlike star, planets do not produce their own energy, right? So next is stars. Stars are incredibly hot and shine brightly. They have their own light, which comes from the burning of hydrogen and helium gas, along with dust. The closest star is one of the biggest in the universe because it is relatively close to the Earth, right? There are much larger stars that we see, but they appear smaller because of they are farther up. वो बहुत हमसे दूर है. Constellation, it is a group of stars that form recognizable pattern in the night sky. ये unique shapes और names से हम इनको जानते हैं. We have 88 known constellation which is famous. We have Orion, Big Dipper, Little Dipper. One known, well-known constellation is सप्तऋषि मंडला, जिसमें group of 7 star होता है northern sky में. Ursa Major constellation जिसे हम Big Bear कहते हैं. Right, सप्तऋषि it helps us to find the North Star and which is vital for navigation. Then we have galaxy beyond the individual star. These are the galaxy vast system containing millions of star gases, dust held together by gravity. The term galaxy, it comes from Greek word galaxies meaning Milky Way. When you look at the clear starry night sky, you might see a bright band of river like ऐसे आपको दिखाई देगा, जिसको हम Milky Way galaxy कहते हैं. What we call it? Milky Way galaxy. Let's study about the solar system, the sun and the 8 planets. All these objects held the place by the sun gravitational pull. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets, right? First is sun, which is a big burning ball of gas which gives light and warmth, right? It is one such huge galaxy, some Milky Way कहते हैं. The sun has been seen around very long time. जो 5,000 billion year, imagine it's made mostly of 2 gases, hydrogen और helium. 2 gases का बना है. Right, it is enormous and it is 13 lakh times bigger than that. It is super hot. इसका surface temperature है वो 6,000 degrees Celsius है. It is even bigger star in the universe because they are so far away from us. Right, planets. We have some special friends in our solar system. We call them planets. Planets after Greek word planetarium से है, which is the bending star. And the 8 planets in our solar system go all around the sun in the fixed orbit. Most planets except Venus go around the sun from west to east, like walking in a circle counterclockwise. They look like wandering in the night sky. Venus is bit to rebel. It goes around the sun another way from east to west. It takes long time for Venus to spin around. Right? So it is about 243 days. On the other hand, Jupiter's speedy spinner, it takes only 9 hours and 56 minutes. It takes about 24 hours to spin once and about 365 days to go around the sun. We have grouped that planet in 2 categories, inner and outer planet. Inner planet, we have 4 inner planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are the 4 inner planets. They are dense and rocky. Venus सबसे hottest planet है because its thick atmosphere traps the sun heat. Mercury and Venus, they do not have moons, but Earth has 1 moon, and Mars, the red planet, has 2. So our Earth atmosphere is like a protective blanket जो हमें safe रखती है, right? Next is outer planet. We have outer planet Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. ये bigger होते हैं but they are not dense because they are made up of mostly gases. Earth, our unique planet. Earth is our cozy home, 3rd planet from the sun, वो 150 million kilometer away है. It is compared to some giant neighbors like Jupiter and Saturn. Earth is not the biggest kid on the block, but it is just right. So our Earth is super special. It provides everything we need: water, oxygen, and soil. To live and grow, we are at the perfect distance from the sun, so we are called the blue planet because 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. And when you look at the Earth from the space, it appears blue and beautiful, right? If we get closer, we would sizzle, and if we move away from it, we would freeze. If we talk about moon, so moon, it is like our very own space body. It is only natural thing orbit Earth. ये 27 days 8 hours लेता है to complete around and spin once on it. That is why we always see the same side of the moon. आप देखेंगे आपको हमेशा जो same side होती है ना moon की वही दिखाई देती है. And it is much smaller than Earth, only 1/4 size है इसका, right? Since it's small, it does not pull on us much, right? The moon has no air, no water, and it is really a hard space. Super hot during the day और freezing होता है. Night में क्या होता है? बहुत ठंडा होता है. यहाँ पे आपको craters, mountains, plains and falls देखने को मिलेंगे. And on July 29, 1969, human visited the moon for the first time, and Neil Armstrong was the first person to walk on moon, and it was followed by Edwin Aldrin. They left the footprints इन्होंने छोड़े थे, right? Then we have asteroids. They are like small rocky planets that hang out between the Mars and Jupiter. They are made up of rocks and bits of metal. Biggest asteroid जो आपका Ceres है, right? They are thousands of hundreds of kilometers across. Some scientists think asteroids are the pieces of planets that never join together and they stay scattered in the space. Then we have meteoroids. They are like tiny space rock that orbit the sun. They can be small as grain of sand, as big boulders. Meteoroid gets closer to Earth, it burns up the atmosphere, right? And they are called shooting star. But it is not really star at all. It does not burn up completely. और ये hit करता है आपके Earth. It is formed about 4,900 years ago. Next is comets. What are comets? They are icy snowballs. ये किससे mixed होती है? Dust and fluorescent gases. They follow a path around the sun in an oval shape. It comes from Greek word meaning long-haired star because they have glowing tail. जो किसकी तरह लगता है? Like a hair glowing in the wind. They are much smaller than asteroid. They get close to the sun. They start to glow. Comet is a Halley comet which comes around every 76 years. We have Encke comets जो shorter trips हैं and it visits often about every 3.3 years. ठीक है, हर 3.3 years बाद आता है, right? This is all about the chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's meet in the next class. Thank you.